Folks.
The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a flash flood warning for central Anderson County in upstate South Carolina until 10:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:39 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 3 inches of rain has fallen over the past 1 to 2 hours. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Anderson, Piedmont, Williamston, Northlake, West Pelzer, Anderson Airport, and Sandy Springs. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
Camera views, Silverado HD.